Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising. Let's see your monthly reading for August 2026. So, yan, birth month ng mga Leo. This is a general reading, so pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services, so mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comments section. What's the energy? Patience. Uy, orange na orange. Leo na Leo to. Patience is a virtue. So I think this August is mas hahabaan mo ang pasensya mo. Sa maraming bagay. Maari kasing, or, this August, your patience will be tested. Dito magkakaalaman kung talaga bang willing to wait kayo or willing kayo na, make some adjustments or kontrolado nyo ba yung sarili ninyo. So, itetest ang inyong patience. Oh, letting go. Meron kang palalayain. You are going to let go of anything, anyone that is no longer serving your highest purpose. Pwede rin tong emotions. Energy ng past, person sa buhay mo, frustration, you will let that go. You have symbiosis. Ito ay pagtutulungan, like merging of energies na gustong mabigyan ka ng mas magandang opportunities. It's like help, may tutulong. Okay? Someone is, or this can be a person or a situation sa buhay mo na ikaw ay susuportahan. You will be supported by the people, by the community na naniniwala sa kakayanan mo. Let's see your overall energy. Page of Pentacles. Merong learning. May pagsisimula. Pwede meron kang inaaral, sinusubukang gawin. Pwedeng trabaho, finances, pag-aaral ng bagong course na magbibigay sa iyo ng source of income. Your challenge is the Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords energy is someone na parang pag gusto niya, dapat makukuha niya. Kaya nga iti-test yung patience niya rito. But I also see here na pwedeng merong person sa buhay niyo na, kumbaga, yan yung magiging test ninyo. Yung person na yan. Iti-test yung patience niyo ng taong yan. Someone na medyo mahirap kausap, kasalamuha, pakisamahan. Can be someone na merong authority over you. Can be your parents, yung boss, teachers, ganyan. Now, your opportunity is the world. Ang ganda ng opportunity because this is about achievement. So, meron kang certain achievement. Dahil kumbaga natapos mo na yon, na-accomplish mo na. So, you are, fourth house. I think this is about achievement pagdating sa home, family. So, pwedeng may renovation sa bahay. Or, you have achieved something na pwede mong maging pundasyon sa buhay mo. Part nung pwedeng mga learnings mo yan. Let's say you are taking a course. Itong course na to, tutulong to para mas mapalago pa yung iyong career or yung opportunity sa'yo. The world is also an opportunity to work abroad. Pwedeng kung meron sa inyo na nagbabalak magtrabaho sa ibang bansa, pwedeng may opportunity. Okay? The blessing, ang ganda ng blessing nito. This is about celebration. Fulfillment ng inyong mga wishes. So, kung kayo may mga wini-wish kayo sa buhay nyo, ayan, it is happening. Some of you, relationship. Merong blessing pagdating sa relationship. Romantic connection, business partnership. You may be meeting people na nag-a-align sa yung mga purpose sa plano mo, 'di ba? Yun ang importante doon, that you will be working with these people na talagang aligned sa iyong mga goal sa buhay. Let's see what else for Leo. A two-faced friend. Baka yan yung ile-let go mo. Yung two-faced friend, or meron kang malalaman about a friend that is close to you na hindi pala siya totoo. Hindi pala totoo yung pinapakita niya sa iyo. Unsuccessful outcome to a problem. Yeah, I feel like this is something that you will have to let go of. Na pwedeng you are trying na i-work things out, ang isang bagay, sitwasyon, tao sa buhay mo, relationship, but you realize na hindi na talaga yon mag-work out. So it's time to let that go and, end that chapter sa buhay mo. Fear, worries, tense situations. Oh, I think that is something na kailangan mo ring i-process, no, sa sarili mo ngayong August. I think this is something that you will be letting go of. Okay? Yung mga fears, worries, or situations na you will realize na ito palang kaibigan mo hindi totoo sa'yo, or someone in your life that is not really being true to you, like the intentions are not good. So, dahil doon, may pag-aalala ka kung ano na ba ang mangyayari kapag nawala tong tao na to sa buhay mo. But don't worry, kasi ano man tong mag-e-end na chapter sa buhay mo, may i-welcome kang bago. Something that will make you feel happy and fulfilled. Oh, ask for help, seek support. You are not alone. Yes. Hindi laging parang papasanin mo yung mundo. Kung kailangan mo humingi ng tulong, humingi ka ng tulong. There's nothing wrong with that. Diba? Detach your emotions from situations that you cannot control. Yeah. I think ito yung isa sa struggle or challenge for you ngayong August is sometimes you become too emotional and attached sa isang sitwasyon or tao sa buhay mo na hindi mo naman nakontrolado ang kanilang mga desisyon sa buhay. Oo. But, of course, it's all up to you kung hahayaan mo yon. But, the suggestion here is to let that go. Kung hindi mo siya kontrolado, i-surrender mo. Diba? Anything na kaya mong kontrolin, then do something about it. If you can ask for help, then ask for help. Pero kung hindi na talaga, then surrender and let that go. Okay? So that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.